Yep, good old little woodpecker down there. Good thing he's deciding to peck into the riverbank instead of on the side of the house. I may have to invest in a BB gun. I wonder what he's after down there. Just another one of the many wildlife adventures we get in the backyard. Of course, he probably hears me talking. He might spy the house. Maybe this is a new species. Oh Christ, what if he's building a house there? Then we might have him all summer. There could be little woodpeckers. Uh-oh. Goodbye, Mr. Woodpecker.